Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Wormy Garden. Today I'm diving into a topic that might seem a little unexpected, especially for folks like me who love getting our hands dirty in the garden. We're talking about blockchain and how this high-tech concept is quietly changing the world of food from the tiniest seed to your dinner plate. Let's start with the basics. What is blockchain and why should gardeners even care? Think of blockchain like a super secure, transparent digital ledger. Instead of one person or company holding all the info, it's spread across a network of computers. Every time new info is added, say a tomato is harvested, it's put into a block of data, cryptographically linked to the block before it, forming a chain. Now, if you're a gardener, you're probably thinking, okay, but what does this have to do with me? Imagine your trusty garden journal, planting dates, fertilizer notes, harvest tallies. Blockchain is like that journal, but digital, unchangeable, and accessible to everyone on the network. That means every step your food takes, from farm to fork, can be recorded and verified. And at the root of it all, it's about one thing: trust. Let's trace a tomato's journey with blockchain. Picture yourself at the grocery store scanning a QR code on a tomato. Instantly, you can see when it was picked, who grew it, and even the temperature during shipping. No more wondering where your food comes from. And this isn't just about curiosity. It's about safety and transparency. Remember those scary headlines about food recalls or fake labels? Blockchain can really cut down on those issues. By keeping an unchangeable record, it's nearly impossible for someone to fudge the facts. Companies like IBM Food Trust are already on board, tracking produce, meat, and more. I mean, tracing a mango used to take 7 days. Now it's just 2.2 seconds. That's huge. But it doesn't stop there. Blockchain's also making a mark with carbon credits, the environmental kind. For years, carbon credits have had a trust problem: fraud, double counting, and confusion. It's hard to know if these credits really help the planet. With blockchain, those credits get tokenized. Each has a transparent, verifiable record. Imagine a digital marker rising from a forest, showing exactly where a credit came from and where it's going, all stamped with verification from registries and even big banks like JP Morgan's Kinexys. This way, when a company buys a carbon credit, they know it's the real deal and that the environmental impact is legit. So what could the future look like? We're just scratching the surface. Imagine every food item with a digital passport, not only showing where it came from, but also water use, and even pay equity scores for farm workers. Now, picture community gardens worldwide, connected through blockchain, sharing resources and knowledge. Smart contracts could mean you earn tokenized credits for every pound of compost you bring to a co-op, straight into your digital wallet. Think about AI dashboards that suggest what to plant based on climate trends right in your backyard. Or kids in gardens using apps that spin myth-inspired stories based on what they're growing, tying together ancient wisdom and modern tech in one neat package. The possibilities? Honestly, they're pretty exciting. From the soil beneath our feet to the networks above, blockchain is planting seeds for a new era of trust and transparency in our food systems. It's about giving us, the consumers, the power to make informed choices, support sustainable practices, and build a more resilient food future for everyone. It's about really knowing the journey of our food, from block by block to bite by bite. So what do you think about blockchain in food and gardening? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you like this video, hit that like button, share it, and subscribe for more. Until next time, happy gardening.